उन्होंने बड़ा पेनफुल फेस बना के उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा बोला एंड दैट डे वी रियलाइज नो यार एवरीथिंग इज नॉट अ मनी वी थॉट ऑफ व्हाई नॉट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस बट नॉट टू पॉज आवर जॉब्स सो बेसिकली हाउ डिड इट एंडेड अप चॉकलेट सैंडविच ट्रस्ट मी आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट पीपल विल लाइक लोग बोलते थे कि एक टमाटो इतना अच्छे से कोई छांट के एक लेडी नहीं लेके जा सकती जितने अच्छे से एक लड़का ले जाता है
We have the perfect marriage material. Hello and welcome to the next episode of JCL Podcast Bindas Bowl, where we serve conversations hot and fresh, just like your favorite dish. Today, we are here to serve you some fun with our amazing guest, Sayam Goyal. Sayam, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So the first thing we'd like you to tell us is what do you do at Geomart?
So I am working as a category manager, managing bath category.
Okay. And what are your passions and interests beyond work?
So beyond work, I love sports, but the great passion I carry is cooking. So where I've been cooking from last many years since I was 11 years old.
Interesting. So you are a chef in disguise. And how did this journey of cooking start? Was it a childhood thing or did you develop it as you went along?
No, it was a childhood thing. So I still remember Mama used to be a businesswoman. She ran her boutique for last 26 years and with a good fame and name in the city. And I still remember I was 10 years old and when I started to buy vegetables and वहाँ पे when I used to go to buy vegetables तो वहाँ पे लोग बोलते थे कि एक टमाटो इतना अच्छे से कोई छांट के एक लेडी नहीं लेके जा सकती जितने अच्छे से एक लड़का ले जाता है. So I still remember the time and that's how it started to begin with like how is the kitchen look like or some maybe cooking style. तो हम लोगों का वहाँ से शुरुआत हुआ एंड मम्मा यूज्ड टू कम लेट इन द इवनिंग तो हम लोग वेजिटेबल्स कट करके रख देते थे मी एंड भैया बोथ एंड इवन ट्राइड टू कुकिंग कि हाँ ठीक है बनती कैसे है थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टेप बेबी स्टेप लिया. दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड and then one or the other day we were sitting me and bhaiya we thought of why not to start a business with some sort of food business like cart or some sort of thing and that's how we took a decision one day let's start but not to pause our jobs with a job we'll start a food business. That's how it started.
So are you telling me that you and your brother started a food cart?
Absolutely.
And so I'll just take a pause here and come back again and I'd just like to tell my audience all the women especially that we have the perfect marriage material here, you know, a guy who likes to cook.
No, absolutely no.
Yeah?
No, absolutely no. I'm not going to tell my partner that I have no cooking. No time. So
by the way,
that is a secret which will be kept within me only.
Okay, so you're not going to reveal this to your partner.
Absolutely no. I want to behave यार. अच्छा ये salt होता है. अच्छा ये sugar होता है. Oh, अच्छा ये इसमें डलता है. So
by the way, I hope you know that this is being recorded. Yeah, so and it's going to get released. So
no. We'll keep the video also secret.
Can't keep it a secret, but yes, this is really interesting. You know, and I know that running a food cart is a recipe for chaos. It's not an easy thing. So you know, how did you go about it? You know, how did you manage the operations and you know, how did you make your customers happy?
No. So basically, how did it started? So I already told you कि one or the other day we were sitting, we thought got a decision that we'll start the business, and we got a cart customized from Delhi only, and wonderful cart, and with a minimum investment you can say, and हम लोगों ने so basically क्या था कि भैया used to be in night shifts. He is working with the US MNC into recruitments. And I was into day shifts. So we decided कि ठीक है भैया will prepare the food till evening. Evening में 6 o'clock हमारा carts लगते थे. And हम लोग I used to go to office 9 in the morning. I still remember. I used to come back at 5:30 or 6.
Okay.
And still remember कि मेरा जो ई-रिक्शा होता था that time I used to come by ई-रिक्शा तो ई-रिक्शा भी मेरा कार्ट के आगे ही रुकता था और मेरा जो लैपटॉप का बैग होता था वो कार्ट के अंदर ही डाल देता था. So from morning 9 to रात को मैं 12:30 घर जाता था. That used to be my roster and तो उसके बाद से सो बेसिकली भैया रेडी करके सामान चले जाते थे. वी यूज्ड टू हैव 2 shifts and one little boy who used to manage the dishwash and everything. तो भैया प्रिपेयर करा के चले जाते थे, प्लेस करा के चले जाते थे. आई यूज्ड टू कम एंड आई यूज्ड टू मैनेज एंड एवरीथिंग इनटू ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसीज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड I still remember one day I came back from the office, cart में laptop का बैग डाल दिया. I was standing back at the cart and वहाँ पे 4-5 groups खड़े थे and one of the group said कि भैया हमारा 15-20 मिनट हो गए पास्ता नहीं बना, तो how is it? तो I was like I used to call चाचा to my chef. तो मैंने कहा चाचा इनका वो बना नहीं अभी तक पास्ता. एंड my chef was like कि भैया कल भी उसके ऑर्डर से Zomato ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज हमें पेनल्टी पड़ा है, तो we just have to make sure कि वो टाइमली डिस्पैच हो. मैंने कहा ओके. सो हमारा डिशवॉश का जो छोटा लड़का होता था, फिर मैंने उसको बोला कि तू भी आगे चल, एटलीस्ट तू भी तभी सीखेगा बनाना. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर द टाइम जितने में वो बनाने में शुरू करा उतने में वो ग्रुप बोल देती है कि नो भैया हम आपके रिपीटेड कस्टमर हैं, हमें तो आपके हाथ का ही खाना है. So I still remember roadside and into the mall, standing into the cart. तो खड़े होके मैंने back to back 10 pasta sandwiches बनाए, sweating like hell. So that was a wonderful time. I mean, I still remember that.
It's so intriguing. I can, literally visualize you wearing an apron and, cooking, pasta making, and, my mouth is already watering. Was there any signature dish that you used to sell at your cart?
Yeah, so basically, I copied one thing. So that was chocolate sandwich, which I had first time in Pune. And I never seen it in North. And we launched that chocolate sandwich in North. Trust me, वो chocolate sandwich बनता कैसे? There is a wedges in the sandwich. And उसके बाद क्या होता है कि chocolate को crush करके melt करके उसको पूरा melt किया जाता है. Wonderful taste. Trust me, I didn't expect that people will like hell. मतलब लोगों को इतना पसंद आया है. And people used to come. Repeated customer था मेरा chocolate sandwich का. लोग उसी के लिए आते थे कि chocolate sandwich चाहिए. And हम लोगों के पास शाम को तो मेरे को खुद भी याद है 6 बजे के बाद हम 6 बजे प्लेस करते थे कार्ड, 8 बजे कई बार चॉकलेट सैंडविच खत्म हो जाते थे क्योंकि उसकी रेसिपी लिमिटेड बनाते थे हम, सब कुछ वैसा होता था. तो इट वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिश आई कुड से व्हिच हैज गॉन रियली गुड इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइकिंग एंड ऑल. एंड ऑन द सेकंड हैंड वी यूज्ड टू मेक सूप्स. सो सूप जो हमारे होते थे बहुत फ्रेश होते थे. हम लोग कोई भी आउट केमिकल और वैसा कुछ भी उसमें नहीं इंकर करते थे, तो हम लोग बिल्कुल फ्रेश बनाते थे. एंड वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल पीपल यूज्ड टू कम, और वो भी बहुत रिपीटेड कस्टमर्स हैं हमारे, डेली वाले थे. मतलब ऐसे थे कि डेली ये चेहरे तो दिखते हैं, सूप पीने आते. सो कपल ऑफ थिंग्स वर लाइक बहुत ही अमेजिंग था. तो पीपल रियली लाइक्ड इट.
Wow, मेरे मुंह में तो already पानी आ रहा है. Maybe I'll have you make that chocolate sandwich for me after this. So I think I'll come back again to you and take a pause here for our listeners. If you want to really relish on a nice chocolate sandwich, and if you're a fan of soups, you know who to catch. Okay, coming back, I've seen my mom always be in the kitchen cook, and she used to cook really, she does, cook delicious food, and I see a lot of hacks that she would use to make the food so delicious. Was there a time, or is there any such cooking hack that you have?
So basically, when it comes to dishes, every dish has their own secret thing to put in. So when it comes to sandwiches, so we have sauces which has a vital role. And so basically, for example, हमारा सबसे बढ़िया एक होता था तंदूरी सैंडविच, जिसपे पनीर तंदूरी सैंडविच, जिसको आपको पनीर को जो है तंदूरी सॉस में रोस्ट किया जाता था. एंड देन देयर इज अ वन सॉस चिपोटले करके एक सॉस होती है व्हिच इज लाइक जो फ्लेवर देती है आपको स्मोकी का. So it is all about कि आप किस डिश में क्या सीक्रेट डाल रहे हो. So every dish has their own different secret thing to put in. So mojito के लिए we used to make mojitos. So mojitos के लिए it is more of a चटपटा things and more of a lemon, more of a sugar thing. So वैसा था. But yes, every dish has their own secret thing. I could say that, but वो तो है.
I think now that we are sharing some secrets about from the kitchen, Even I would like to share one. When I cook, I have this little hack which I learned from my husband, where I just put a little bit of sugar in everything that I make, and it's not to make that thing sweet, but just to add a little flavor. जैसे ही आप वो 4 दाने शक्कर डालते हो, आपके फूड का फ्लेवर, उसका अरोमा बहुत ज्यादा एनहांस हो जाता है. एंड आई डिड नॉट नो दिस अप अंटिल देन. Whenever I use that hack, I तो received many compliments for my food. Has there ever been any memorable compliments or quirkiest compliments that you remember that you've received for your cooking?
See again, Ruchita, there are two sort of compliments I would say. One is कि day to day तो मिलते रहते थे, because I love to cook like पराठास, बीट आलू का पराठा, मूली का पराठा, गोभी का पराठा, पनीर का पराठा, सब कुछ. एंड हम लोगों का क्या था कि इनटू एक्स ऑफिस में हमारा, सो वी हैव अ टीम ऑफ 8-9 पीपल. तो हम लोगों का हर वीक हम किसी ना किसी के घर पे वो रखते थे कि दिस टाइम दिस पर्सन विल मेक, दिस टाइम दिस पर्सन विल मेक. एंड व्हेनेवर आई एम मेकिंग तो पीपल आर लाइक सो एक्साइटेड, आज तो सही हम बनाएगा. तो वो वैसा वाला लेवल होता था कि डे टू डे तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते थे. बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जो मेरे लाइफ टाइम के कॉम्प्लीमेंट हैं दो, दैट इज लाइक हम लोगों ने फूड फेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, विच हैपेंड अगेन इन ग्रेट इंडिया पैलेस मॉल. एंड तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे फूड फेस्ट दैट स्टार्टेड एट 5:30 एंड वी डिडंट रियलाइज कि इतना फुटफॉल होगा. और 8:30 के करीब इट वी वर लाइक वी गॉट फिनिश्ड विद आवर रॉ मटेरियल्स. एंड विद इन दैट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि वी गॉट 2 पीपल जहाँ पे दे हैव अप्रोच्ड अस फॉर द फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल. तो हम लोग कभी सोचा ही नहीं था, उस लेवल तक हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस ही नहीं गया. बट स्टिल दैट मैसेजेस और मे बी द वर्ड ऑफ माउथ सेइंग्स is somewhere which makes us really happy that we could able to take this card to that level where people could able to realize that they can take this as a franchisee thing. So I mean that's one of the wonderful compliment for us. Whenever we see that messages, we are like sort of really happy.
This is so interesting. I think इससे बड़ा कोई compliment हो नहीं सकता है. Someone wants you to start a franchisee with your food cart.
Yeah.
So why did you never go ahead with that idea?
I think so basically how did it ended up, I'll just tell you. So basically हम लोग we ran this entire food venture for 1.5 years.
Okay.
And we were running with our jobs. And so क्या हुआ कि we did realize that our personal life was hell. Because from morning to 9 from morning to 12:30 or 1 I am there at cart. Job plus cart. तो वो वैसा था कि पर्सनल स्पेस बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया था. सैटरडे संडे खत्म हो गए थे, बिकॉज हमारा सैटरडे संडे को सबसे ज्यादा फुटफॉल होता था. One of the other day we were like, or we both brothers are like, हम बहुत ही family oriented लोग हैं, तो we are very attached to our family. We used to go every week to our family to visit Chandigarh, from Delhi to Chandigarh. Okay. But it was a time जब 7 months हो गए, and one day mother used to say कि घर से कोई अब प्यार व्यार नहीं रहा क्या, कोई मिलना आना नहीं होता क्या तुम लोगों को. And it was 7 months. So that day we were realizing उन्होंने बड़ा पेनफुल फेस बना के उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा बोला. And that day we realized no यार, everything is not a money. So we took a decision that not this time but some or the other day we will make quit our jobs and we'll take it as a full time. But we took that decision that let's sell this entire venture to somebody. So we sell this venture to somebody. That person is still running. Okay. And that makes us happy कि जब भी हम देखते हैं कि हमारा venture at least चल रहा है. तो that was a thing. It ended up.
I think when it comes to family, what can one say?
Absolutely,
family is always first.
But again, it was a wonderful experience. We met a lot of people around. They used to compliment. They used to tell us कि ये चीज आज इसमें ये कमी है, ये अच्छा बना है, ये वो है. So a lot of people we met, but it was a crazy experience for us.
Absolutely. माहौल थोड़ा सेंसिटिव और गर्म हो गया है, गैस थोड़ा सीरियस हो गया है. इट्स टाइम टू स्पाइस इट अप अ लिटिल इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट, जहाँ पर मैं एक गेम खेलूंगी आपके साथ. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ क्विक फायर राउंड, संयम, वेयर यू हैव टू आंसर विद इन 5 seconds. Each question will be a this or that related to food, cooking, or any of your quirky choices. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं. Sweet or spicy?
Spicy.
You have to be quick. Salt or sugar?
Salty.
Breakfast or dinner?
Dinner.
Chop onions or peel garlic?
Chop onions.
Italian pasta or Indian curry?
Indian curry.
Would you rather cook with one hand tied behind your back or blindfolded?
Blindfolded.
Dine-in or street food?
Street food.
That's my favorite too. Cooking solo or with a team?
Solo.
Okay, and last one, dessert first or skip dessert?
Skip dessert.
What? No!
Later on, I'll go for it.
You can't skip dessert. You have to skip YouTube ads, but not dessert. Okay. Well, thank you so much for playing this game.
Conscious.
Is it? I think a lot of us are health conscious nowadays. But that was a good one. Thank you so much. And before we close, I think one last thing we'd like to know is, what are your plans for future? Like, how do you want to pursue your passion ahead? Do you, want to open a restaurant or a food cart again?
Yeah, absolutely. Every day, every hour, I think about it. कि करना है, but this time I'm not going to do with a job.
Okay.
This time I may quit my job and I'll give myself as a full time into cooking passion. And yes, again, I will be running some venture into north side.
Wow. So
because बचपन से नॉर्थ का खाया है तो वैसा है कि नॉर्थ का ही खिला पाएंगे लोगों को.
I think being a North Indian myself, I can understand this completely. I can totally relate to what you're saying. So, Sayam, I think thank you so much for joining us today, sharing your journey with us, and wish you all the best on this culinary journey ahead.
Thank you very much that you gave a chance to showcase my skills. And really thanks for your time.
It was an absolute pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all the ingredients we have for today. Don't forget to tune in next time for more Bindas Bowl episodes. Till then, keep your taste buds entertained. Thank you. Interesting. You're supposed to say.